Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to see your following list on WeChat channel. So let's move. The first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat app. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Discover. Next thing you need to do is to click on Channels. Next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top right here. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Follow. Then you're going to have everything right here. So these are the list of your following list on WeChat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.